Hi, today let's make simple and easy egg tawa masala. It's very simple in a blender. Add in some coriander leaves, add in some green chilies and ginger garlic paste. Blend it into a smooth paste like this and keep it aside. Now in a pan, I'm adding in some oil. Once the oil has been heated, I've taken around 4 eggs. So I've cut each egg into 3 slices thinly. If you have an egg slicer, that's good. It slices the egg really very well and evenly. Place the egg slowly one by one, and then finally sprinkle some salt, turmeric powder and Kashmiri chili powder. The egg needs to be roasted very well on both the sides because it gives that slightly crispiness which tastes beautifully in our egg tawa masala. Roast it very well, and once it turns slightly brown, set it aside. Now in the same pan, I've added in some extra butter for the cake, and then I'm adding in some cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds splatters, I've added in chopped onions and fry the onions till it is slightly brown. Now I've added in the green masala, I've added in chopped garlic and then the tomatoes. Mix it really very well till the raw smell goes, and then add in some salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder. I'm adding in some coriander powder, garam masala powder and jeera powder. Mix very well till the raw smell goes and the oil separate. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. See, you can see how beautifully the oil is separated from the gravy. Now slowly start placing the egg one by one, and finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Check for the salt. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and